Good morning, one and all. On behalf of Narayana E-Techno School, I'd like to welcome our IC members, Mr. Yogesh Upadhyay, Principal, All Saints School, and Dr. Sanjay Kumar, Principal, KV School, Jhajjar. Narayana E-Techno School was established in 2018. The curriculum of the school stands on the strong pillars of art, culture, and academics. Here, we develop with the holistic development of the student. We not only believe in studies, academics, we believe in all-round development of a child. So, giving equal importance to academics, curricular activities, and sports, we build a strong foundation of a child. On this day, virtual inspection of our campus, let us take you to a small and a crisp glimpse of our campus. Please come. Here we are entering. This is the entrance gate of the campus. Towards my left is the parking area, and towards my right is the play area of the children. This is the gate of the campus. This is the play area of our little kids. Outview of my entire campus. The entire campus is in CCTV surveillance. More than 120 cameras are installed in each and every corner of the campus, looking at safety of each and every individual in the campus. This is the ramp area for the safe dispersal of the children. Let's move forward. This is the sports complex of my school, a basketball court. We have two entry gates. This is gate number 1 and that is gate number 2. This is again the green belt of the campus. The waiting lounge. In the front office, we have two counselors' room. Counselor room 1, counselor room 2. Madam Anjana is taking care of this place. This is all seating area for the visitors and a very restricted area. These are the highlights of the school. Every day's information is being displayed here. This is the junior art room. Art area for young budding rooms. This is yoga and meditation room. Student meditate early in the morning, perform yoga poses, Uchcharan of Om and proceed for the IT is a very important part of the campus. So entering in the IT room, this is the IT room of the campus. All the workings are being documented here. Well equipped, hygienic. teachers' room. These are certain TLMs which are used by psychologists and special educator for the smooth and better understanding of the children. Proceeding. This is principal's chamber. This is our account room. The needs of the student. These are pre-primary classes. Let's have a look in one of the class. This is how the classes are being prepared for the students. Each and every necessary information for the students are being displayed over here. TLMs, stories, scripts, rhyme chart, everything. Chemistry lab. This is the chemistry lab of the campus, well equipped, well planned, with all the needs of the students. As I've already shared, the entire school is in CCTV surveillance. More than 120 cameras are installed over here. And looking at the safety, we have a fire cylinders at each and every floor, each and every segment of the school, ensuring the safety of each and every individual that is here in the campus. Then this is the fire exit, fire alarm. We have two fire exit 1, and that side is fire exit 2. Please come. Please come. This is the biology lab. The concept is explained with the help of models. We have multiple permanent slides, specimens, each type of model, proper charts displayed, and students love to be the part of it. Entering in the dance room. This is the dance room. Students basically excel themselves in Indian classical music and dance. This is the art room. All the work done by the students in there. This is our junior maths lab. Display boards are prepared on the basis of maths activity. So we have measuring cups, 3D shapes, abacus, 10-gram puzzles, rangometry, everything which makes the subject interesting for the students. Uchcharan of mantra they learn over here. Taking you to the sports room of a primary wing, indoor sports room. Physical health is very important. If person is mentally strong, has to be physically strong. So all the small activities are designed with the proper curriculum. Entering in one of the classes. This is one of the classroom of a primary wing. This is how the setup is there. Teaching methodology by a teacher, jewels of wisdom, art wall, study habits, and a library corner. All sort of books, and as per every age group, right from kindergarten to the primary to the seniors, we have all sorts of books here. Books, magazines, periodicals, fiction, encyclopedias, timelines, everything. This will be another setup of the class. Science class, where the concepts are explained with the help of live examples and the material which is used in daily life. Again, the boards are prepared as per the need of the student. Entering towards the physics lab of the campus. This is the physics lab. Every apparatus, optical bench, meter bridge, voltmeter, ammeter. As you can see, a robotic machine is being created by the student. Again, the timetable, the list of experiments, everything. These are the cabinets for the students, so they should have no heavy bags. Again, display boards are colorful and prepared as per their needs. These are the vacant rooms, a prior preparation for our students. Fire extinguishers. So these are all the vacant rooms. This is one of the teaching of the senior class. This is how the senior classes are maintained. For young budding mathematicians, so each and every room has projectors with them so that they can do a proper e-learning also. As more number of senses are used, more learning. A social lab, proper timetable, proper planning. Concepts are being explained with the help of charts, with the help of display boards. This is Indian government. This is the model of the solar system. So this is the place for a safe drinking water. And these are the restroom, staff washroom. This side we have a girls' washroom, symbolic representation, steps to wash their hands in the COVID period. Moving to the most important laboratory of the campus, where again students are very excited to be. So this is all about our complete description of the campus. So I've shared all the labs, everything with you, and I hope we are properly executing the service towards the society in giving a healthy education. Thank you.